This year I made a road trip to Kebnekaise Mountain. Kebnekaise is the highest mountain in Sweden and is approximately 2,100 meters above the sea. I started in Skellefteå because I have family there. It is about 530 kilometers from Skellefteå to Nikkaloukta by car. From Nikkaloukta you can hike 19 kilometers to Kebnekaise. And it's also possible to go to Kiruna by flight or train and then take a bus to Nikkaloukta. The bus takes around 1 hour. On the road to Nikkaloukta I passed the area where the Sami people live. From Nikkaloukta to Kebnekaise there are 19 kilometers and there are no roads, so you can not go by car, you have to hike. But the trail is very good, it's not steep and it's not strenuous at all. There are a lot of mosquitos during summertime, so it's good if you bring your protection. There are other opportunities to go there. There are possibility to go by helicopter, but it's quite expensive. You can also go by ferry. So if you hike around 5 kilometers, you come to a lake. You can see it here. And from here there is a ferry that takes you close to Kebnekaise Mountain Station. After 5.5 hours, I reached Kebnekaise Mountain Station. Kebnekaise Mountain Station is the mix between hotel and hostel. There is also possible to pitch a tent. You can pitch it for free, and you have to pitch it 150 meters from any buildings there. The nature at Kebnekaise is amazing, but it's not only the nature here that is amazing, it's also those bright nights. You can see it's 11 p.m. and it's still so light outside.